Good evening viewers, welcome to Power Sector News. Today's headlines: Indian scientists design energy efficient hydrogen production, updates related to solar projects, updates related to solar tenders. Coming to the details. Indian scientists have designed an electrocatalyst system for energy efficient hydrogen production with the help of electrolysis of urea, which is helpful towards urea based waste treatment and with low cost hydrogen production. The energy requirement for production of hydrogen through water electrolysis can be reduced by 70% through urea electrolysis. Low cost earth abundant nickel based catalysts are widely applied for this process. The main challenge associated with urea oxidation is retaining the prolonged activity of the catalyst, as the strong absorption of the reactive intermediate carbon monoxide on the active site, referred to as catalyst poisoning, causes activity loss. Department of Science and Technology developed this nickel oxide based system for producing hydrogen from electro-oxidation of urea. The scientists have explored electrocatalysts and shown that surface defective nickel oxide and Ni2O3 systems have more Ni3 plus ions are more efficient electrocatalysts than conventional nickel oxide. The urea electrolysis is helpful towards urea-based waste treatment with low-cost hydrogen production. India is one of the top countries by urea production, and if produced 244.55 lakh metric tons of urea during 2019-20. The nitrogenous fertilizer industries generate a high concentrate of ammonia and urea as effluents. This can be utilized for energy production towards our country's benefits. Nagaland government signed a power purchase agreement with private company for setting up of first Greenfield solar power project in Dimapur district of state. Nagaland government would provide the land on lease, while Halo Energy Private Limited would take up the 20 megawatt power project estimated to cost around 120 crore rupees. The execution of the project is scheduled to start in mid 2022 and will take around 8 months to commission. In line with achieving its green goals of moving to 60% solar power by 2030 through renewable energy, the Cochin Port Trust has proposed to put a solar power plant of 4 to 5 megawatt capacity, which includes the existing and ongoing solar projects. Cochin Port Trust has already commissioned a 250 kilowatt solar project, while work on 1500 kilowatt floating solar will also be commissioned by June 2022. Leading solar inverter maker Sungrow held a formal ceremony in New Delhi to inaugurate the expanded 10 gigawatt annual manufacturing capacity of its plant in India. Himachal Pradesh Energy Development Agency has issued a notice inviting tender for empanelment of vendors to design, supply, erect and commission 10 megawatt of residential rooftop solar systems ranging from 1 kilowatt to 500 kilowatt under phase 2 of Ministry of New and Renewable Energies Grid Connected Rooftop Solar Program. The pre-bid meeting will be held on March 14th. The last day to submit bids is March 24, 2022. Bids will be opened on March 25th. Coal India Limited, Navikarniya Urja, a wholly owned subsidiary of Coal India Limited, has invited bids for design, engineering, procurement, construction, and commissioning of 15 megawatt solar power project along with the associated transmission system in the Pench area of Western Coalfields in Madhya Pradesh. The successful bidder will also have to provide operation and maintenance services for the project for 5 years. The last date to submit bids is March 30, 2022. Bids will be opened on the following day. Railway Energy Management Company Limited, a joint venture of Indian Railways and RITES Limited, has invited bids to set up 14 megawatt of grid-connected rooftop solar project at Modern Coach Factory, Raebareli, in the state of Uttar Pradesh for Indian Railways. The successful bidder will have to provide operation and maintenance services for the project for 25 years. The last date to submit bids is May 17, 2022. Bids will be opened on the same day. Additional news today: 80 thermal power plants are running with critical coal staff. Gujarat Electricity Regulatory Commission has reduced the additional surcharge payable by open access consumers to the state DISCOMs to 0.25 paisa per unit, applicable from 1st April to 30th September 2022. Bharti Airtel has acquired around 9% stake in renewable energy Avaada Clean TN Project for about 7.88 crore rupees. Exide Industries has entered into a multi-year technological partnership with a Chinese company SVOLT Energy Technology Company Limited to make lithium-ion batteries for electric vehicles. Price discovery at Power Exchange. National Load Dispatch Center has scheduled 226.40 million units of power for tomorrow through cleared through Indian Energy Exchange. Coming to the price discovery details. Price discovered during night 5 rupees 27 paisa per unit. Price discovered during day 4 rupees 59 paisa per unit. Price discovered during evening 11 rupees 55 paisa per unit. Price discovered round the clock 7 rupees 84 paisa per unit. Weighted average price is 7 rupees 63 paisa per unit. There is no congestion for power transfer in the network and the prices are uniform in all the regions. In green day-ahead market, 8.31 million units of volume cleared with a weighted average price of 5 rupees 93 paisa per unit. Thank you and good day.